Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. I am Wes, and in this video we're going to talk about how to price your work. So this video is a little bit out of my comfort zone. I don't normally do talking videos, and speaking with words is not my strong suit, but bear with me. So some of you guys that watch my videos quite often might know that I am a contractor by trade, and I specialize mainly in installing flooring and doing some trim carpentry work in houses. In my job, I never charge by the hour. I don't like doing that, and if the customer knows I'm charging by the hour, I kind of feel like I am being pushed or pressured to get something done quickly for them because, you know, it's their money on the table. So when I'm installing flooring, I charge by the square foot, and if I'm doing trim work, I charge by the linear foot, and I just think that is a fair way to price the jobs that I do. Now, I am a member of quite a few woodworking pages on Facebook, and a lot of the times I see someone will post a picture of a project they had just built, and they'll say, "Hey guys, this is what I made. What do you think it's worth?" And I see a lot of different comments on how to price work, and I've came up with a formula that is quite easy to come up with a price for your work. So what I do is, before I start any project, I sit down with a pen and paper. I mean, if you're good with computers, you could use SketchUp, but I'm not. So I sit down with a pen and paper and I draw out a rough sketch of what I'm building, and I estimate how much material I'm gonna need. And I phone around to different wood suppliers and I get the price for the material, and I calculate how much material I'm going to use and what the cost is for me to buy all the material. So once I have all the final cost for the material, I take that price and I times it by 3, and that is what I charge the customer. It's pretty easy, and a lot of the times it works out and it is a pretty fair price. Now, that times 3 might not sound like it will work for all projects. Say if you're building a birdhouse or a cutting board, you know, something that might only have like $10 worth of wood in it, you know, you times that by 3, that's gonna be $30, and that doesn't even seem worth your time. So what I would maybe suggest doing is, instead of making one birdhouse or one cutting board, make a whole bunch. And then that way you can take that final cost of what it would all take to make that and then divide it by however many you made. And that's what you charge. So that is it for this video. It's just short and sweet. I hope you found it helpful. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and also please hit that notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video. And like always, we'll see you in the next one.